Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. So today we will the first one we will using the list sandwich order from the exercise 7 before, and then make sure the sandwich pasami appears in the list at least 3 times, and then add code near the beginning of your program to print message saying the daily has run off the pasami, and then use a while loop to remove all the pasami and from the sandwich order, and then make sure no pasami sandwich end up in the finished sandwich. So it is like before, but it is much more easier for us because we just delete the sums list the sums what the meaning the list from like the pasta. So the first one is sandwich order. This is save, this is list, and then lamb, and then a pastami 3 times pastami, and then beef, beef, and then chicken pastami again, and then maybe chicken, and then lamb, beef, and egg maybe. Okay, and then make sure the corn pastami appears at least 3 times. Okay, good. Add code near the beginning of your program to print message saying the daily has run off the pastami. You just add the print message that the daily has run out the of the pastami, of not the pastami. So we will wait a minute. Then using use pastami in sandwich orders. While pastami in sandwich order, how to delete the pastami? What do you think? So it is very easy to use remove. So we just using sandwich orders dot remove, using remove because it is there, and then we using that pastami. The meaning is we will delete all of the pastami. So we just print again. You can you just sandwich orders, or is using list, so the output will be the end list. So but if you want to make one by one for sandwich order in sandwich orders, and then you just print I just only have this sandwich order. Wait, this is quite good. And then you just add Python 379 pastami. The daily has run off the pastami. And then this is the first one, the print sandwich order. The sandwich order is on the list, and then there is no pastami because the pastami is removed from the sandwich order. And then for the sandwich, I just only have lamb. I just only this because we using for loop. So that's all. It's quite easy. It's like more easy than before. Than using changing from the list and then to the others list. So let's try another question. Hey, wait a minute. Don't forget to add to your GitHub. Git add Python. What is difference? This is using remove. in while it. Okay, done. Let's try another question. Bye.